Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shirnagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Ayurveda immunity boosting measures for self-care. First thing in Ayurveda that's been mentioned in is decoction. Decoction, it's a plant-based medicine. How to prepare it? It is also called Kwath or Kadha. In Ayurveda. Take 2 cups of water, put 2 or 3 leaves of holy basil, that is called tulsi, into it. After that you add cinnamon if you have cinnamon in your house. I think most of the countries use cinnamon. Use this much long cinnamon piece. If you have cinnamon powder, if you have, you use only half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, or if you don't have cinnamon as a powder, you use just this length piece of cinnamon and you put in this decoction. After that you must have black pepper in your house, that is called Kali Mirch in India. This black pepper, 2 or 3 black pepper you just crush it and put it in this water. Then if you have dry ginger, you put this small piece of dry ginger, you just crush it and put this length small dry ginger into it. And if you have raisins, and make sure the raisin should be organic, it should not have contained any kind of chemical. If you don't have organic raisins, like you doubt like some kind of chemical is there, because many times raisins been washed with this sulfur or all these kind of things, so they are not good for health. If you have raisin, you can use organic one. If you don't have, don't use. Make sure to check the expiry. It's better all these things which I have mentioned, they should be organic origin. And you boil it, you boil all this water for about 15 minutes on a medium flame. After 15 minutes you switch off the gas and let it cool down for next 15 minutes. After 15 minutes filter it in a cup and remove all these stuffs in a separate bowl, and then you will see a brown colored liquid will left in the glass. And this brown colored liquid you can drink once a day, 15 to 20 ml of this decoction for your daily health during a day. If you are a Pitta body type, you can have it after food. If you have a Kapha body type, even you can have it before food. And if you are a Vata body type, you can have it after food. So this will be very beneficial for your respiratory health, because it has tulsi, that is called holy basil, which has a lot of antiviral properties, and it enhances your immune system to fight against all viral infections. That's a common drug that's been mentioned in Ayurveda. Out of this, if you don't have holy basil, you can leave this content, but you have other things, you can leave it as it is. Whatever content is available out of these, you can put in this decoction. So I have mentioned 5 ingredients. Let's suppose you don't have holy basil, you have other 4, you can use other 4, or you have only 3 ingredients out of it, you can use 3 ingredients, because it's something is better than nothing. At least something to protect the respiratory health of your system. At least it would be very beneficial. This should not be given to children who are below 10 years of age, and for children the dose will be less. For adults I said 15 ml you can drink. So for children it will be around 8 to 7 ml, because for children the dose will be less for the same decoction, and it would be highly beneficial for the people who are having age above 60 years. Because this virus because these group of people are more prone to coronavirus. And if you have a Pitta body type, I advise you not to take it anti-stomach, because all the things that has been put in this decoction are all heat generating things. So if you have Pitta body type, it's been advised you don't take it anti-stomach. Cinnamon, as we all know, it has extremely good properties to enhance the immunity, and almost in all countries cinnamon is being used as one of the very famous spices which enhance the flavors of the food. And I also recommend don't overuse anything because overuse of these spices, these herbs, it's not beneficial. Please use how I have recommended you. Don't overuse it or don't do the overdose for it. Once in a day is more than enough for a general health. Other than that, it has black pepper. Black pepper has tremendously good effect on your respiratory system. It boosts the immunity for your respiratory system, and it's very beneficial for COPD patients who have chronic obstructive bronchial disease. So this decoction is I mostly recommend to my patients with respiratory problems, and we got extremely good results from it, because all the medicines that's been provided in it all having very good effect on the respiratory system. Not only this, a lot of research papers and a lot of work has been done on all these herbs, and it's been seen like they are highly beneficial to enhance the immunity, and it's been seen that they are very beneficial for health. Or if you want to know more methodologies how to make your health better, you please write to us and we will try our best possible way. Either you can write to me or you can write to Eustace, and on our Facebook page you can join Rasa, our Facebook page, and there you can write your questions. We will try in the best possible way to help you out. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care of your family. We'll see you soon. Bye.